comes out of
that
here.
comes out
Oh,
there.
comes out of
there,
here.
yeah.
Wait,
Yeah, that's
which
just the
one?
vent.
This one?
The big hole, not the little hole.
Okay.
Yeah, the little one's just the vent.
And I thought it's like the emergency that you should step back even.
It's mostly empty, so you're gonna have to, do you need help tipping?
Come on.
There you go.
Well, look at this. How much? Trajectory.
Till it's almost full.
Alright,
I think squirts out more than it
There's
pours.
something going on the floor.
Oh, that's what we were hoping for.
Yeah.
Okay, and at some point, try and take it out and put it over your magnets. Yeah, the tape's already
you're
falling
fine.
off, so if you can only get a chunk is fine. We'll have to get Ahab's.
Here, I'll just take the tape off for now.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
She
Is
was
it?
tired of you.
No.
Hold it above it with the tweezers for a couple seconds. So yeah.
Yeah, that's working.
We're having problems with the boundaries.
Here, let's just take a piece of this.
Yeah, the
It's
field's
hard to tell
inconsistent
which
where
one
the
works
holes are
better.
drilled.
Yeah. And look,
Gone.
kind of.
They're probably warm.
Can't really tell which one works better. Like, I can't.
Why are your magnets separating?
Those are the broken.
thanks.
Those are the
Focus.
broken ones from last time.
Is it alright to take this off now? Okay.
Yeah.
So I was testing to see which one had like